Fucking on the camera, almost stamina, the animals. Gucci is no amateur. Child the damage, you can damage you. I handle you. Two girls on my bike, one on the back, one on the handlebar. Ferrari at 130, so I call that bitch Tarantula. Got Canada on calendar, so shout out to my manager. Walk through in South Africa, just the purple hacker. I'm sleeping just as I am so icy, boy. I'm tailored like a microphone. We are so icy, gang. Tailored like a rocker gang. Turn it up, wait it up, wait it up, and pin it up. You don't wanna be full up in my Chevy, bitch. Now I'm feeling ready, yeah. Put up in your girl, cake. Don't see Donna, don't see Trey. Don't you wanna see the butt? See the butt, see the butt. Now that nigga on the run, camera flash, I see your ass. Begin with your left side. You get my favorite roof for you, been riding with them guys. If I told them lay it down, and I did it about 30 times. It's a push. It's a photo shoot. Don't get you.
Yeah, as you can see, we don't have as many alternators as Steve, but we bringing the pain. Steve Mead, eat your heart out.
Yeah. If not, you'll do 2 different cooling. You don't need no cooling system, just for the... I need a cooling system, period. John Wayne.
That's John Wayne. John Wayne.
Those guys can't be running. Oh.
There's a few other construction sites. Don't leave. Everybody does what the car
He builds it, he makes it. Where's the other one? I got one of those.
Well, we got the other one. They wanted to sleep.
I got a new one in the shop right now. We'll have them on here.
I need a stereo here.
Come over here and put your back and take the side of it. Alright, get down a little bit.
Ferrari at 130, so I call that bitch Tarantula. On calendar, so shout out to my manager. I walk through in South Africa, I shut them off for accurate. Sleeping just like I am so icy, but I'm tailored like a microphone. We are so icy, gang. Tailored like a rocker gang. Turn it up, wait it up, wait it up, and pin it up. You don't wanna be full up in my Chevy, girl. Now I'm feeling ready, yo. Put up in your girl, cake. Don't see Donna, say. It's a photo shoot. It's a photo shoot. Don't get your camera phone on. It's a photo shoot. It's a photo shoot. Girl, it's a photo shoot. It's a photo shoot.
Thank everybody for coming out. We're going to see you tomorrow. My people love it. Again, thanks all this. Hey, girl, hey.
I don't know why he came out to compete.
30 inches on your side. You my favorite roof for you. lay it down and I did it about 30 times.
That was probably, honestly, one of the first color cones that we did. Like it was like a few weeks after you first came out and you were like, yeah, I just made this pink song for somebody. I was like, oh shit, dude. My girl, like, she doesn't.
Here's my thing right here.